Hello everyone! My name is Esra. Welcome to my kitchen. I am a second year PhD student in the Indiana University School of Education. I came to the Indiana University on a scholarship by the Republic of Turkey. Once I finish my PhD degree here, I'm planning to go back to my home country and start working for the government as an education specialist. Thanks to the Indiana University Office of International Students, I had a chance to show one of the great soup recipe from the Turkish cuisine. Today I will explain how to cook this delicious soup. First of all, I could say that it's a perfect combination of yogurt and rice. I learned that recipe from my mom. Thank you, Mom. Every time I cook this recipe, it reminds me of warm, soft, and cozy winter days with my family. Being an international student is exciting, but it can be challenging sometimes. During the pandemic, I couldn't have a chance to travel to my home country and see my parents. I could say that yogurt soup is a comfort food which helps with my homesickness. And every time when I cook and when I have this delicious soup, I remember my beautiful memories with my parents, with my family. I am so happy that I could share this recipe with you. I promise you, it's really easy to make it. You could find all the ingredients in any grocery store. I hope you could get a chance to try this delicious recipe. Bon appétit! Afiyet olsun! For this recipe, we are going to need 1 deep cooking pot, 1 mixing bowl, 1 whisk or spoon to mix all the ingredients, and 1 small saucepan for the sauce. Let's look at the ingredients. We need 4 cups of water, 1 cup for cooking rice, and 3 cups for mixing ingredients, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 cup of rice, 1 teaspoon salt. For sauce, 50 gram butter or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I prefer making sauce with butter, but you could also use olive oil or any type of oil that you like to make it. 1 tablespoon crushed pepper, 1 tablespoon dried mint. It's also optional. Let's look at the instructions. First, start cooking rice with 1 cup of water, and then mix flour, yogurt, olive oil, egg, and 3 cups of water in a separate mixing bowl. Once your rice is cooked, you could add all the mix to the pot and keep mixing them occasionally in medium heat until it starts to boil. Continue boiling for another 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. Now you can start making your sauce. To make the sauce, first melt the butter slowly in low heat. And then you could add your spice, crushed pepper, and dried mint. When the butter starts splashing, your sauce is ready. You can add the sauce to a bowl of soup, or you could add the sauce into the pot. Bon appétit!